Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to invite friends in Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application and you will see your board. Now, you'll have to simply click on the friends icon at the bottom right side of the screen and you will see this page. Here, in order to invite your friends, you'll have to simply click on the invite icon, that is this green icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you'll be given two options to invite your friends. The first one is this invite icon in yellow and the second one is invite icon in blue, that is the Facebook invite button. If you want to invite your friends through Facebook, click on this button and it will take you to your Facebook account where you'll be able to send messages inviting friends on Monopoly Go. You can select any person you want and your message will be sent according to that. Now go back, click on the invite icon at the top and you'll be given different options to invite people on Monopoly Go. As you can see, I can invite my friends through QuickShare, WhatsApp, Facebook, Slack and different methods available on my device. After your friends click on your link and joins Monopoly Go, they'll be added as your friends on the game. So that's how you invite friends in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.